We're seeing SmartSpeak used in some really high-demand environments. For example, in trading floors and fast-paced control environments, where communication has to be immediate and clear. In those spaces, you can't have delays, false triggers, or missed audio. SmartSpeak allows people to communicate instantly, while the system intelligently manages what's happening in the room. It's a great example of how this technology isn't just convenient, it's critical in certain environments. When we designed SmartSpeak, we weren't just thinking about adding features. We were thinking about solving real problems we've seen in the field for years. A lot of systems out there are pieced together from different manufacturers, and that creates friction, both in setup and performance. So we took a different approach. We built everything to work together from the ground up. Audio, control, and communication. That's really where the difference shows up. Not just in what it does, but how smoothly it all works together.